This was a disaster. It was my first time making puff puff with milk. I need you to watch this and let me know what you think went wrong. So I put in hot water, sugar and yeast, and allowed that sit for 10 minutes. Then I went in with the dry ingredients. I put in some syrup, I put in some milk, just a little bit of milk actually, and then I let that sit for 10 minutes. Look at the consistency. It was thick, it wasn't watery. So look at it after 10 minutes, and I put in some oil in a pan, and I went ahead to fry it. See, I was even excited because look at that. I'm a pro in putting this thing into the pan. But tell me why I've put it in the pan and it's looking like akara. Why is the shape not shaping? It's round, but not in the way it's supposed to be. Yeah, it was kind of flat instead of being fluffy. So this is it, and I opened it, tasted it, I hated the taste, and just before I had fried it, it kind of tasted okay. Honestly, I'm not sure, but what do you think went wrong? This was not good at all. I didn't like the shape, I didn't like the taste, and yeah, thanks for watching.